Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Ads with AI automation for search performance. To activate Google Ads with AI automation for search performance, start by logging into your Google Ads account. Once logged in, navigate to the campaign section on the left-hand menu. Click on the blue plus button to create a new campaign. Select the goal for your campaign, such as sales, leads, or website traffic. Choose the campaign type as search to focus on text-based ads. After that, select the subtype for your campaign, which will determine your ad features. Provide a name for your campaign to easily identify it later. Set your budget, keeping in mind your overall marketing strategy. Next, choose your bidding strategy. For AI automation, opt for smart bidding options like Target CPA or Target ROAS. Proceed to select the locations you want to target with your ads. Define your target audience by selecting demographics, interests, and user behavior. Now, set up ad extensions to enhance your ad's performance and visibility. In the next step, create your ad groups. Provide relevant keywords that align with your campaign objectives. Utilize Google's Keyword Planner to find suggestions and search volume data. Then, write compelling ad copy that matches the intent of your target keywords. Make sure to include a clear call to action in your ad. Set up the final URL where users will land after clicking your ad. Before finalizing, review your campaign settings for accuracy. Once satisfied, click the Save button to launch your campaign. After activation, monitor your campaign's performance regularly. Utilize Google Ads reports to analyze metrics such as clicks, impressions, and conversions. Adjust your campaign settings based on performance data to maximize results. Consider utilizing machine learning insights to optimize your keywords and bids. Take advantage of responsive search ads for better engagement through AI-generated combinations. If needed, revisit your audience settings for more targeted reach. Regularly refresh your ad copy to maintain audience interest. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.